क्लास 6 का स्टूडेंट ध्यान दें। कल आप पढ़े थे वोकेशन, जो पोएम है। आज वोकेशन की एक्सरसाइज आप सेंड किया जाएगा। इस वीडियो में एक्सरसाइज दिया है 110 पर। 110 पर एक्सरसाइज देखें। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, योर पार्टनर एंड यू मीन नाउ बी एबल टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस। Who is speaker in the poem? Who are the pupil the speaker meets? What are they doing? Next question है उसमें आगे, what wishes does the child in the poem make? Why does the child want to be a hawker, a gardener, or a watchman? Pick out lines in a stanza which tell us these. And third question उसी के नीचे दिया है, from the way the child in which the hawker, the gardener, and the watchman, we can guess that there are many things the child has to do or must not do. इसके बाद है, make a list does and don'ts it child does like. The first line is for you, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा, भरेंगे। तो चलिए इसका पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर है, जैसे आपने देखा, हु इज स्पीकर इन द पोएम, हु आर द प्यूपिल स्पीकर मीट्स, व्हाट आर दे डूइंग। तो इसका हो जाएगा, द स्पीकर इज ए लिटिल चाइल्ड हु गोज टू स्कूल. He met their pupil first a hawker, then a gardener, and lastly a watchman. On his way to the school, he met a hawker who was selling bangles, cried bangles, crystal bangles, and his return from school. He watched a gardener who used a dig to the ground when it dark, and his mother sent to him to bed. Through his window, he saw a watchman walking up and down. दूसरा क्वेश्चन था, what makes the child in the poem make? Why does the child want to the hawker, gardener, or watchman? Pick out the lines in each stanza which tells this. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा, being a child he is not allowed to lead his life as per his wish. He has followed certain norms which he does not like. The child in the poem wants to be hawker, gardener, and watchman. When he looks at a hawker, he wishes he would not also spend day on road crying bangle, crystal bangles. He feels that there is nothing to hurry the hawker on. There is no road on he must take, no place he must go to, and no fixed time when he must come. These are the things that cannot do himself, and therefore he wants to be a hawker so that he could not all the things. Next, he wishes he was a gardener because a gardener does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with must. Nobody has scolded him when he gets baked in sun or gets wet. Therefore, he little child was gardener. Nobody would stop him from digging. Then finally he sees a watchman and wants to be like the watchman so that he could walk those dark and lonely streets all night with his lantern and chase shadows. When he put his bed and is not allowed to roam in outside, he sees watchman swinging his lantern with the shadows at his side, and he feels that the watchman never ever has go to the bed his entire life. Therefore, he wants to be hawker, gardener, and watchman so that he could all do things that he has could not to do them being a child. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, थर्ड में देखिए, थर्ड आपको कंप्लीट करना है। फर्स्ट में लिखा है, द चाइल्ड द कम एट फिक्स टाइम, और और उसकी आगे जो मिला है चाइल्ड मस्ट नॉट डू, जो क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए। तो चाइल्ड मस्ट और चाइल्ड मस्ट नॉट, बच्चे को क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, इसकी कॉलम बनाया है। तो कम एट फिक्स टाइम, सही समय पर आनी चाहिए। और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, गेट हिज क्लोथ डर्टी इन द डस्ट, अपने कपड़े गंदी नहीं करनी चाहिए। फिर कहता है चाहे गो टू बेड व्हेन इट इज़ डार्क, जब अंधेरा हो जाए तो बिस्तर पर चले जाए। फिर कह रहा है गेट बैक इन सन आर गेट वेट, ये नहीं करनी चाहिए। तो वो कौन सा काम करना चाहिए कौन सा काम नहीं करना चाहिए, इसकी दो कॉलम बनाया है, मस्ट डू एंड मस्ट नॉट डू। इस तरह से ये आपकी एक्सरसाइज फिनिश होती है। नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल बी सेंड।